How do you feel about being published?
It's very exciting. It's a certain thrill, and I hope that it's going to happen more than once. Writing haiku is pretty new for me, and I've really gotten into it in the last few weeks. And when I see an image or something that I'd like to remember, instead of writing a description, I'll write a haiku. Writing haikus is fun and it's exciting, and it captures something that you can otherwise cannot capture except with a haiku. I love to spend time outside with a good book, and it's not rare that I stay there for hours, and there can be some small mishaps when that happens. So if you stay a certain time with a book in your hand, well, the sun is going to imprint its shape on your skin. So, and I found that pretty nice. I think the exercise that helped me the most is to take the name or a phrase that you identify to a season, but that phrase can be anything that you relate to, but other people relate to a bit less. And you write the haiku around that sentence instead of trying to capture an image and describe it at the same time. You can go in different steps. The tan line of a book on my thigh.